without a helmet. That's bad.
He's already like 8 years old.
I don't care. You're not going to be riding without a helmet. Not at all. You got to be safe.
Yes, sir.
You take a video.
Mhm.
Imagine his poop later. An apple and a tomato.
That did not sound good.
What?
It sounded like a burp. Does he have teeth?
In there anyway.
No, but he's got like razor sharp lips. He's like, man, I smell more. Where's it at? There's something in my teeth. Now lick it up. He is a mess eater.
Ryan.
What, buddy?
He can probably eat all our grass and leaves and vines and weeds and stuff in one day probably.